In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix Instagram Live not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If it's not updated, just open up the App Store or Google Play Store and check to make sure Instagram is fully updated. If it does have an update available, install the update, reopen the app, and try going live again. If it's still not working, go ahead and open up Instagram again and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three lines up in the top right now, and then you need to go to account privacy right here. Select that and just make sure that your account is public. If your account is private, Instagram Live may not work properly. So turn this off, and essentially once you do that, go back to your settings and you need to scroll down and find account type and tools on here. This is going to be towards the very bottom. Go ahead and open that up and look for any account restrictions or warnings. If your account has any restrictions, that may be why Live is not available. Once everything is updated though, public and unrestricted, tap the plus icon in the very bottom, choose Live, and start your Instagram Live. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.